welcome back to my channel. Gamer Boy here, and this is another update video. It's like an update video. Sorry. Sorry about that, guys. But this is about what I'm going to do tonight. I'm going to a bonfire with my friend Alex, but his YouTube channel is called Benson Game In. You put a capital B for Benson, and well, I can't remember where I was at. Sorry, guys. My dad just came in, so let me think. Oh yeah, so I'm going to start the name again. So capital B for Benson is Benson. You say it Benson, but it's actually Benson. So Benson, and then no space. Sorry guys, these coughs. So Benson, yeah, and then no space, no capital letter for no capital G, but it's Benson Game In. So gaming, not gaming, is game in. So the whole name is Benson Game In, and then you put a space and then an exclamation mark. So guys, as I was telling you, I'm going to a bonfire tonight, and with my friend Alex, with Benson Gaming, and I might make a video there. It depends how dark it is. I'll show you how bright it is now, or how dark it is now. Right guys, that's how dark it is now. It might be a bit darker for you. Can you see that light there though? Like, I think you'll be able to see it. There. No, I can't. Sorry guys, I can't show you. So that's how dark it is, or how bright it is. And send. Right guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Bye.